Oh, here's another 1951 Kaiser. Usually you don't even see one Kaiser here the whole time, so it must be the Kaiser Club came out in mass today. There's a few of them here. 51. You notice in the windshield how it's sculpted like that. I mean, you know, it's got a nice style. I like that. That's kind of like a reason to come back with the split window, because you can style them like a little different. Again, you got your rear vent window. It's a nice, sweet interior, man. Big speaker in the front, almost looks like a jukebox, right? That's what it was designed. You got your clock, designed to look like a jukebox. You got your clock here. It's got 120 mile an hour speedometer, handbrake. A lot of chrome on this sucker. Yeah, that is the stack exhaust, as you can see. This one's got the same deal. Anyway, get a close up of the interior from this side, the driver's side. You can see up there in the speedometer, you got the other gauges too, all incorporated. You can see everything that's going on right in front of the driver's face. It's got the old AM radio in there. A lot of room in these cars, man, because this is when they started getting rid of the running boards. And of course, you got your, because the body was more outward, and they were still big from the running board. So the early 50s cars had a lot of room. You had your ashtray back there. Probably had a cigarette lighter in there too, inside the ashtray. Sweet.